When your spirit is open and unconstricted, look at things from a high point of view. Miyamoto Musashi. My friends, that's a deep quote right there. That is what we seek to achieve by mastering the charts, where we innately know we're able to look at these charts and absorb what they are telling us from a high point of view. And again, it could take you many years to get that mastery, but again, I tell everyone, don't worry about how long it takes, because it will take as long as it takes. But once you master the markets, you'll make up for all the time you ever spent. Let's jump into these charts. Everything is up a little bit. Well, I just see now it's about 15 minutes before the markets close. The S&P is flat, but pretty much I'm guessing it's going to go back into the green before the markets close. The only thing that's down is Bitcoin. Let's jump first into the S&P 500. When I say flat, that's pretty much what we are seeing these last, now going into 4 days. The Monday, Tuesday, 2-day candle is a little green spinning top right there. Almost, decent volume up to average. Now, don't let this red volume mess with your head. All that means is that the candle opened lower than the prior close. That's all that means. There's no such thing as negative volume on these charts. We can see in the morning down, recovered some in the afternoon. It is up now 0.01%, so just barely. But is the market topping off? Can't tell you that. It is for right now. But again, in this election year, the powers that be are going to do everything they can to keep it where it is for the next couple of weeks till we get through this election. And then, depending on how things go, I got no idea, brothers and sisters, which way this market will go. So the S&P just sort of maintaining right now. NASDAQ 100 up, but again, just 0.15%. It's pretty much flat. This week also I don't think it's reaching a higher high either. That's 498.83 last week, 497.45 this week, yes. And again, we've just completed our third spinning top, almost a doji this last one on the 2-day charts with above average volume. We saw where things were down in the morning, popped up some in the afternoon and pulled back, barely up. So again, stocks just maintaining. What's going on 20 U.S. government bonds? They are up again, just barely 0.17%. You can hardly tell. Well, you can't tell it from looking at the Heikin-Ashi candlestick. You can see that volume decreased in the afternoon. Have a down candle on the 2-day with average volume. And you can see on the weekly, don't know if we're going to get up to average volume by the end of the week or not, but we're going in the right direction. We have been short bonds for many weeks, and that trade has been doing us right. What about gold? Gold pounding up 0.96%, our biggest earner for the day. And of course, gold just keeps on. The metal keeps shining. Look at the latest 2-day candle with average volume. Average volume in the morning pulling back, maybe. No, pumping up a little more in the afternoon, actually. So again, up 0.98%. So gold beating everybody else this day. The precious metal is shining, showing its luster. Look at where we are with Bitcoin. Bitcoin jammed up on Friday, and then Monday and Tuesday pushing itself down. So we'll continue to keep an eye on Bitcoin, see where it goes, losing some of its luster this week, not where it reaching anywhere near that high of last week. And of course, that Monday, Tuesday candle, it's come off of that. So we will keep an eye on things as we continue to move through this week. We so appreciate you guys being with us. Always love to hear from you. CW@chartingwealth.com. I'll be coming back to the States this Saturday, God willing. And again, I'll keep pushing these shows out every day that I possibly can. I rarely let you guys down. As long as the technology doesn't let me down, the good Lord keeps my heart pumping and my lungs working, I'll be bringing you these shows. God bless my friends. All the best from chartingwealth.com.